Making $1,000 online in such a short amount of time is rare. You can earn $1 for each person you refer without doing any work. Believe it or not, it is one of the simplest ways to make money online, but you'll have to move quickly if you want to take advantage of this deal before it disappears. And sure, this approach is available everywhere, and it doesn't cost a dime to use. Plus, if you watch until the end of the video, I'll reveal how you can use this special and free tool to automate everything and make money with zero effort on your part. So don't go anywhere. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you are looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we have got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. So to start, go over to Pixabay.com. Pixabay is a database containing over 10,000 royalty-free photos and videos for any purpose. Moreover, all of the movies and photographs in any possible field are released under a Creative Commons license, allowing their distribution and reuse on other websites without payment or acknowledgement to the original creator. You do not need to share this on any social media sites like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or any others. And no, I won't suggest that you try to make a profit out of those images by reselling them. Instead, I'd like for you to visit Pixabay.com and click the videos tab right here. And that is what we will be discussing in this post, followed by a series of keywords such as business, financial, making money, working from home, and so on. I'd like for you to look up business, for instance, so that I can show you what it is that we want to find. The available options are all around 10 seconds long, so we are on the lookout for anything new in the realm of business and economics related video content. I suggest that we watch this one right here. You should click on it. That will bring you to a page where you can easily access the free download button. The video can be downloaded under a Creative Commons license after you choose a suitable resolution and click the download button. Free to use even for commercial purposes, with no credit required. Now, I want you to download 10 entertaining videos that are about business and making money online. To go to the next stage, you will need to make use of this website. This is where you will cash out your earnings. However, this is not the final method you will require to put this technique into automatic operation. If you want to make your first $1,000, you need to pay attention until the very end and follow every step. Now let's go on to the next step, which is for you to open up your web browser and enter Volutic.com into the address bar. You may make money on Volutic by reading emails. Although that is a terrific method to make some extra money on the side, and it is certainly simple to set up, it won't make you very rich. Very few people are generating more than a few bucks per day from this website. Today though, I'd want to teach you a way to make a lot more money than that in passive income without checking your inbox or putting in any effort whatsoever. But if you're interested, you can make even more money by merely reading those emails. Email reading is a portable job that may be done from any internet-connected device. By using Volutic, you may make money from your computer, tablet, or mobile phone just by reading emails. With this website, you won't have to wait weeks, months, or even years to receive your first payout because the minimum payout is simply 20 cents. That goal is within reach in under an hour, and once attained, you can withdraw the money in any way you like. The strategy is in its infancy, but with less than 8,000 users, the timing is perfect to hop on board. People from all over the world are cashing out immediate money every day from our website, as can be seen in the payment proof section of this site. Enjoying the video so far? Why don't you give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing by hitting that subscribe button. We'll bring you amazing and easy money-making strategies every day. For now, let's continue. Now, all that is required of you is to sign up by clicking on this button right here. This link will take you to a page where you can establish a username and password, input your email address, and then retype that password before clicking the boxes to agree to their terms of service and privacy policy. Unless you want to join their mailing list, you may safely leave this field blank. After that, you can establish an account by selecting the register link. This is what your account dashboard will look like once you log in. This is the earnings tracker, and as the account is completely new, it will initially display a balance of $0. If you watch the whole video and do what it says to do, however, that is going to change very quickly. In addition, once you begin making money on this platform, you may quickly and easily cash out your earnings by using the option presented above. Whenever your balance reaches at least 20 cents, they will automatically pay you the amount using the payment method you choose. The best part about Volutic.com is not only that they pay you instantly, but also that they have a terrific referral program that pays you $1 for every person who makes $1. Therefore, it's a no-brainer that if you refer just one person to Volutic.com and they go on to make $1 using this website, you will earn $1 passively. You can earn $100 without doing any work if you recommend 100 individuals. That's $1,000 for 1,000 people, and so on. And I'll show you how to reach millions of people with only one channel. You may see your referral link on the primary dashboard under Referrals, Links, and Tools after logging in. The link to copy your referral link is right below. This paves the way for you to replicate the strategy and begin sharing it with others to generate passive income from your online efforts. The next thing you will need is a method for individuals to click through to your referral link. Now you need to discover people who are interested in signing up for Volutic.com so that they may make some additional money by reading emails. But before I reveal this website to you, let us know what you think about our featured website today by leaving a comment down below. We'll see you there. Now, let's get back to our video. Please visit the site regularly and I'll show you how to advertise there for free. The name of this website is Imgur.com. Users of Imgur regularly reach an audience of millions thanks to the site's ability to host a wide variety of user-generated content. Just click the sign up button below to create an account on Imgur.com. New accounts can be created by providing the desired username, a working email address, a secure password, and a contact phone number, and then proceeding to the next step. Alternatively, you can log in using your existing social media profile such as your Twitter account, Apple ID, Google, or Yahoo account. And this is what you will see when you log into your account. You can look through all of these different posts that are being published by regular individuals such as you and me. Click on this new post to learn how to set up this form of passive income. And here, all you have to do is pick the video or image you grabbed from Pixabay.com. That's why I recommended collecting content about entrepreneurship, online business, money, and working from home. To upload, select, pick a photo or video, navigate to where you stored your file, and play it. You'll be asked if you want the audio to be removed. You can choose either yes or no. It doesn't matter. Simply label your post something like "Get paid to read emails" or "Get paid to open emails." Be sure to use the word "free" in the headline so that people will understand that it's free and that they can earn a profit. The fact that they can reap benefits at no cost to themselves is sure to pique their interest even further. You can put your referral link in the description so they can sign up with you. The phrase "sign up here immediately" or "gain instant access here" is an example of this. Just copy and paste your referral URL here, and then you will need to use a variety of hashtags to reach the right audience. Then select this tag and click the button. You can use search terms like work from home, make money online, work from home and earn money, etc. People that search for those keywords are interested in making money online. Thus, the more tags you add, the better your results will be because you will attract more targeted people who will be interested in joining this website. In addition, you are now providing them with a free service, which is the simplest and quickest method to make $1,000 online. And there you go! Isn't it easy? Don't miss out on this chance to earn with Volutic. And just like thousands of other users who successfully got paid, you too could have your first $1,000 in just a short amount of time. Thank you very much for supporting us. We've enjoyed making this video for you today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't yet to make sure you don't miss out on any of our future uploads. You can also check out our channel to see more of our excellent content. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.